Welcome to A Taste of K. I'm back with another cooking video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I prepared this peri peri roasted chicken, which was inspired by Fit Slow Cooker Queen on Instagram. But instead of cooking this in a slow cooker, I'll be roasting this chicken in the oven. Stay tuned. The ingredients I'll be using is 6 chicken leg quarters, which I cleaned with salt as well as lime. I allow it to sit in this citrus marinade for about 5 minutes before rinsing under cool water. I'll also be using 1 small white onion, which I thinly sliced, the juice of 1 lime, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon garlic paste or 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons paprika, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, half a teaspoon salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of the black pepper, as well as 1 pack of chicken bouillon powder. I'm going to be making a marinade. This is where the chicken is going to get all of its flavor from. So in a bowl, I add the juice of 1 lime. Also add garlic paste. If you don't have garlic paste, you can go ahead and add 2 minced garlic cloves. I'm also adding white vinegar, olive oil, chili powder, paprika, cayenne pepper, oregano, ground ginger, salt and black pepper, as well as 1 packet of the bouillon powder. After placing all of these ingredients into the bowl, I'm going to give it a quick stir until all of the ingredients are well incorporated. In a roaster pan, I'm going to add the thinly sliced onion. I'm going to place the onion on the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to place the chicken leg quarters on top of it. As you can see, I did not remove the skin off of the chicken because once it's done cooking, the chicken skin is going to be nice and crispy. After After placing the chicken leg quarters into the roasting pan, I'm going to add the peri peri marinade that I just made over the chicken. I'm going to make sure that I get all of this sauce or marinade onto the chicken all over, as well as underneath the skin. Now that the chicken leg quarters is covered in this peri peri marinade, I'm going to allow it to marinate for 1 hour. Remember, you can always allow this to marinate in the fridge up to 24 hours. After the 1 hour, I covered it with aluminum foil. I did preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll allow the chicken to cook for 45 minutes in the oven. After 45 minutes, I did remove the aluminum foil and I placed the chicken under the broiler for 5 to 7 minutes just so the skin could get nice and crispy. Besides the liquid that I added to the seasoning mix, I did not add any additional liquid. Once the chicken starts to roast in the oven, it will start to produce its own liquid, which will then combine with this marinade and produce its own sauce. This is the peri peri chicken right out of the oven. The skin was nice and crispy from placing it under the broiler for about 5 to 7 minutes. The chicken itself was very moist and packed with flavor. The chicken produced its own liquid and it mixed with that marinade and created its own sauce. If you made it this far into the video and you haven't done so already, please subscribe to A Taste of K here on YouTube. Share the videos with all your friends and family. Like and leave a comment down below. You can also stay connected with me on Instagram, which is tasteofk_, on Facebook, A Taste of K, as well as TikTok, A Taste of K. Thank you for stopping by A Taste of K. I'll see you in the next video.